नेशनल साइंस डे। आखिर ऐसा क्या खास हुआ था 28 फरवरी को जिसकी वजह से पूरा मुल्क इस दिन को नेशनल साइंस डे की हैसियत से सेलिब्रेट करता है। हमने जानने की कोशिश की स्कूल की चंद बच्चियों से।
I am Saba Parveen. I live at Kabirpur, Bhagalpur. My school name is Royal Public School and I am studying in class 8. The National Science Day is celebrated on February 28 every year across India. But do you really know why do we celebrate this day? The National Science Day commemorates the invention of Raman effect by great Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata. C.V. Raman was awarded with Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930. By celebrating this day, the National Science Day, we show our dignity and respect to the famous great Indian physicist for his contribution in the field of science. The main objective of National Science Day is to bring people awareness about the people of science, is to our daily life to encourage of people. As a student, it is our responsibility to honor the great man as his contribution, his invention by contributing greatly the field of science through innovation. Thank you.
Science Day. Science Day is commemorated at the legacy of Dr. C.V. Raman for creating Raman effect on 28 February 1928. Science Gohang Vigyan. There are several names with too much of knowledge. Science is not to confuse a human brain but to serve a human body. Science. There are too many kinds of science like cardiologists, dermatologists. They can make many things with the help of science. And science is the way they will reach the future to make our future better and better. Science and technology are the main words said nowadays. And we can be a scientist, a doctor, a cardiologist and many things with the help of science, as the science of today can be technology of tomorrow. I also like science very much and I want to be a cardiologist in the future. Thank you.
Hi, I am Sanya. My school name is Royal Public School. And I studying 8th class. National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated every year in India on 28th February. The discovery for Raman effect by India physicist Sir C.V. Raman on 28th February 1928. For this discovery, Sir C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930. This was first Nobel Prize for India field of science. The first National Science Day was celebrating in India on 28th February 1987. This day is celebrated in school, college, university, research and institution all over the country. That's all and thank you.
नेशनल साइंस डे के मौके पर न्यूज़ द पैशन की खुसूसी पेशकश। मोबाइल कैंपस, न्यू शाह मार्केट भागलपुर, डील्स इन मोबाइल स्पेयर पार्ट्स, बैटरी, चार्जर एंड टूल्स। MJ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, शाह मार्केट भागलपुर, डील्स इन all types of electronic goods.